Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen. I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, we speak Igbo language and we help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to introduce yourself in Igbo language. Let's go. When you meet someone and the person asks you, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Iwo onye ebe. Where are you from? Iwo onye ebe. Iwo onye ebe. And then you can reply. Abum onye so place, right? Abum onye Igbo. Abum onye Yoruba. Abum onye Calabar. Abum onye Benin. Anywhere you come from is abum onye this. Okay? Aha go gini. What is your name? Aha ge or gini. Aha go gini. What is your name? When someone asks you, what is your name? It means aha ge or gini. And you replying, Ahambo. My name is Ahambo John. Ahambo. My name is. That is Ahambo. Then you say your name. Ahambo. Ahambo Amarachi. Ahambo Ezine. Ahambo this. Okay? Ahambo. That is my name is. Idiafole. How old are you? Idiafole. How old are you? Idiafole. How old are you? Then you can reply. Adim afọ this. Adim afọ this. Adim afọ you say. That is, I'm 5 years. Adim afọ iri, I'm 10 years. Adim afọ abụọ, I'm 2 years. That is, adim afọ anything. Adim afọ iri atọ, I am 30 years. That is iri atọ. Adim afọ iri atọ, I'm 30 years. I nwere nne? I nwere nne? Do you have mother? I nwere nne? Do you have mother? And you replying, enwere m nne. Enwere m nne. Yes, I have mother. Yes, I have mother. Yes, I have mother. Enwere m nne. Do you have siblings? Is I nwere ụmụnne. That is, do you have siblings? I nwere ụmụnne. Do you have siblings? I nwere ụmụnne. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it.